Hi everyone, thanks for attending this session today. Every one of you may have heard the term that AI is transforming the world, right? But I focus mostly on the manufacture and industrial sector. In this space, AI is just not a buzzword, right? It has a direct impact on the business of any organization in this sector. So you are using AI tools to improve the overall product quality, help the workers make some decisions, look at the safety and a lot of these aspects. So cameras nowadays has more or less become like a keyboard for in this space. So what is happening here is due to that there is large amount of data which gets generated on the edge. So if we empower on the edge, help make faster decision making on the edge, this will improve the overall processing. And that's the reason we believe that time for edge AI is now. When you look at industrial use cases, right, there are a lot of different categories where you can see the different use cases. When you are looking at, say, for an example, a worker if he's wearing the safety vest and hat, etc., you call those safety use case. That probably falls under people monitoring their behavior, etc. And there are some where you look at the machine. Is the machine performing right? Is it heating up, or is the robot kind of moving the object in the right place? All these kind of use cases fall under what we call the machining related use case. And then comes the material, right? If you say garbage in versus garbage out, so you have to monitor what the raw material is going into your product line when you are producing some of these products. So you are monitoring those raw materials. Are they in the right ratio? Things like that. And then there are process related stuff. In most of the factories, you will see a particular product going through different cells and different processes to finally come to a finished product line. So if there is one line which is slower and which is creating, then the overall process becomes slow. So you would like to gain insights on which particular process is taking more time, what's causing the delay, etc. So those use cases, you kind of look at the overall process. And then there is environmental kind of conditions. You look at asset monitoring, safety, fire hazard, things like that, which is basically scene intelligence. You want to get the scene intelligence on that. So there are these different use cases where you used machine-based or vision-based kind of a defect detection, but there is a lot of them which are also telemetry-based, which we call the time series sets of information which you process to get insights.